Hi, my name is Paul Steinke. I am head of the service department for Lenexa Manufacturing Company. The purpose of a clutch is to protect equipment and personnel in case a part of a machine gets jammed caused by a foreign ob product, such as a bag or locked up from a mechanical failure. Today I would like to talk about how a clutch works on a bagger. Make sure you follow all safety procedures within your company rules, especially lockout tagout. The clutch will power a sprocket that has a notch in it or a hub attached to a cam that has a notch. Now we will cover how the clutch works. The clutch body is in the center, is shaped like a yoke. As you can see, it has a keyway, so it is keyed to a shaft whose power can be tracked back to the main motor. The clutch body then transfers power to the spring, which is held in place with an eyebolt that is inside. The spring retainer is on the other end of the spring. Then the power goes to the clutch arm and cam follower. This completes the clutch side. On the shaft next to the clutch are two thrust washers, and then a sprocket or hub that has a notch in it which powers the final assembly of the machine that is to move. The cam follower on the clutch arm rests in the notch of the sprocket or hub. If a foreign object or a jam occurs, the sprocket will lock up. The clutch will continue to move, and do so, the spring will compress. The clutch arm will rotate and the cam follower will pop out of the notch in the sprocket and roll around the top of the sprocket's hub. It will then fall back down into the sprocket's notch and try to push on it again. This will continue until the foreign object is removed or whatever is causing the jam. Note that the sprocket that is powered does not have a keyway, so the shaft in the center can spin while it is locked up. I would like to point out that when you order a clutch, you must pay attention to several items as follows. If you lay a clutch on the table with a clutch arm and cam follower facing up, the clutch should always spin with the cam follower going first. The clutch on the left spins counterclockwise, so it is a left-hand clutch. The clutch on the right spins clockwise, so it is considered a right-hand clutch. Each sprocket has a certain number of teeth and a chain size it moves. Check your manual for the correct one that is used on each part of the machine. There are three colors of springs: black, blue, and red. The black is soft tension, meaning the clutch will activate with little force. The blue is medium tension, and the red is hard tension. Check your manual to determine what spring to use. This is how a clutch works. If you need any parts or service for your baggers and slicers, please contact Lenexa Manufacturing Company at 913-378-3800 or go to www.lenexamc.com. Thank you for your time.